Hello and welcome to another episode of Coyote Outdoors. Today we're going to be fishing on the Radisson Flowage. Right there is a 100-year-old dam. Don't want to go by the orange things or else it's going to be a nice roller coaster ride down to the bottom of the Chippewa River. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of bass fishing with my bass pole and a little bit of pan fishing for crappies and bluegill. And we've never fished here before, so pretty excited to try it out. And I'll catch you when we're in the water. Alright, we're on the water right now. Moving my kayak a little bit. I'm going to try and fish these weed beds a little bit. See if I can get anything or not. Yeah. I already fished a little bit over here. Dad caught a couple two perches and stuff, and I haven't caught anything yet. Hopefully that will change. Alright, here we are by the weed beds. Grabbing my pole. Okay. Told you, it's really weedy around here. Really crappy. Ugh. Okay, out for the second cast. Okay. I just caught a fish, and I'm sorry I didn't get it on camera. It was a nice little bass, trying to straighten out my boat. So I'm gonna try and do the same technique I just did. So throw the pole right behind me, just like that, over there. Then do that, and then paddle. See if anything takes it. Yeah. I'll get something on. This has to work. It worked before. Wee. That is a 100-year-old dam right there. That dam's actually called the Arpin Dam. They dammed this up. Oh, got a fish. Got a fish. Oh, you see that jump? Getting them. Nice sized bass. There's a lot of little mini bass in here today. Ugh. Largy, I think. There you go. Large bass. Ah, oh, come on. Eh. Fell right in my kayak. Alright, this dam right here that I'm going past is called the Arpin Dam. It is 100 years old. You can probably tell it's really old because it's built out of stone. Right here, this whole flowage here, this used to be a mill pond back in the late 1800s during the logging days in Wisconsin. The Arpin Logging Company would flow logs down to Chippewa River, and right here they dammed it up right here and created a mill pond, so the logs would just float around in here basically, and they had a railroad grade coming around here somewhere, and they would pick the logs up and put them on trains. And probably all the logs probably went down to Chicago to rebuild it because they just had a big fire down there. And yeah, that's the history of this dam. Oh, and also, by the way, this is the Chippewa River that they dammed up, and over there is a little coup d'oeil by that bridge. Yeah, and it ain't too big of a flowage, but it's just big enough to hold all them logs in the late 1800s and early 1900s. So I might cut this video a little shorter today. I only caught 2 bass. Got only 1 on video. Sorry I didn't get the other one on video, but thank you for watching the 3rd episode of Coyote Outdoors, and I'll catch you on another one. Later.